At least 15 people, including children, are dead after a 5.7 magnitude earthquake flattened houses and sent terrified residents scrambling into streets. Residents shared photos of damage to their homes, including cracks in walls, after the tremor struck about 8 miles from Harnai, Pakistan just after 3 a.m. local time on Thursday. The quake destroyed several houses in Harnai and Sharag, with several people reported to be buried under collapsed buildings, a regional official told Hum News. As rescuers searched through the rubble of homes, a disaster management agency said at least 15 people were killed and dozens of injured survivors were rushed to hospitals for treatment. Photos showed residents gathered in dark streets after they fled their homes during the quake. Power supplies were knocked out in a number of areas. A regional official told local media that a number of homes had been destroyed, including several which saw their roofs collapse as they were shaken by the earthquake. Government buildings were also damaged, he said. Twitter users who live in the region told of waking up to their homes shaking and feeling terrified. One man wrote, "The earthquake was so huge, I felt like a ghost was shaking my bed." He added, "I can't sleep anymore because of fear, and am already sick." Another Twitter user wrote, "We've felt a significant earthquake here in Kawada at around 3 a.m. Reports about the adjoining areas are reaching." "We are safe. Hopefully everyone is safe." Read more. Read more.